That's so pretty. Hi everyone, I'm Susanna and I'm in Lisbon, North Dakota with T-Mobile. Tonight we're going to celebrate our powerful 5G network with an incredible drone show.
A drone show works by all the drones taking off together, every drone being at a very specific place at a very specific time. I think 5G is going to really enhance the drone industry, whether you're sending live video stream or connecting to 300 drones in a swarm.
Our 5G network covers more than 1.3 million square miles. That means we've got more 5G coverage than the other guys combined. And now that Sprint has joined T-Mobile, the network is even bigger and better. Woo! Look at all the magenta. Hello, Lisbon. From big cities to small towns, you can experience T-Mobile's best network yet. Are you with us?